A receipt gets rejected in the Ibotta when the app can't match your upload to a valid offer, or when the image fails its automated verification check. By the end of this, you'll know the exact reasons receipts get rejected, how to fix each issue, and what to change so your next submission goes through clean. Start with the most common issue: offer mismatch. Ibotta only credits receipts when the exact product and store match an active offer. If the item is slightly different in size, flavor, or brand variation, the system will reject it even if it looks similar to what you bought. The next big reason is timing. Receipts usually need to be submitted within a specific window after purchase. If you wait too long, the system can automatically reject it because it assumes the purchase is no longer eligible. Another frequent issue is photo quality. The AP system reads text from your receipt, so blurry images, cropped edges, or glare can prevent it from verifying store name, date, and item details. That leads to an automatic rejection even if the purchase is valid. If your receipt is rejected, the first step is to open the rejection reason inside the app. Ibotta usually tells you whether it was an offer issue, readability issue, or missing information. That detail determines your fix. If it's a readability problem, resubmit a clearer photo. Make sure the entire receipt is visible, flat, and well lit. Avoid shadows or folded edges, because those can block key details like the barcode or purchase total. If it's an offer mismatch, double-check the exact product listing in the app. Sometimes users select the wrong variation of an item, especially with multi-pack sizes or store-specific versions. In that case, there is usually no way to recover the credit unless the receipt matches a valid offer exactly. If everything looks correct but the receipt still gets rejected, the next step is to try submitting it again after a short delay. Occasionally, the system fails to process properly, and a second submission goes through correctly after a sync refresh. If repeated submissions fail, contact support through the app and include a clear photo of the receipt. They can manually review it when the automated system misses valid details. Here's the summary. First, most rejections come from offer mismatches. Second, poor photo quality can block verification even when purchases are valid. Third, timing and resubmission issues can also affect approval. If you want the fastest fix, always check the exact offer match first, then resubmit with a clear, full receipt image. Subscribe for more fixes for cashback apps and real explanations for why these issues happen.